guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping in. First video here on my fishing. I'm gonna start doing some fishing videos and stuff. So today I wanted to show you my kayak. I've just got through doing some work to it. This is a Tamarak Angler 100. Bought it from Walmart. I've had it probably a year or so, just now getting to where I can really use it. This is a 10-foot kayak. I'll show it, turn it around here. 10-foot kayak. I bought it from Walmart. I think I gave about $220 for it. Walmart online. Bought two of them, one for me, one for my dad, and they're pretty good. It's not too heavy. I think they said it's about 52 pounds. Holds up to 270 something pounds on it. Made a few mods to it. You have to excuse the mess here in my garage. It's kind of my junk room. I've added my cart wheels. I just got through doing them. I'm actually fixing to try them out for the first time. I've added a milk crate to it, some extra rod holders on the side. I've made the lid for my milk crate. There's the legs that go on the kayak bottom. They go in right there to sit underneath it, and I'll show it in just a second. I bought this seat from, I think it's a stadium seat. I bought it from Costco. I think it's like $15. Fits right in here. The seat on this thing's not really comfortable. Just got a little cushion. I'm sure you've probably seen it on other videos. It's got a little cushion underneath it. It's not really comfortable, so I bought that stadium seat, and I just have it hooked in with a bungee cord. Over here on this side, of course, it's got handles, front and back. I'm not going to really go into a lot of what the kayak's got because you can see so much of it on YouTube from other people. I did add in a 1.5 pound anchor. I put me an anchor trolley system on it here. Just attached it up front and then attached it here in the back. You can move back and forth and put cleats in it for, I use these two right here for my anchor line, and I use these two right here for my trolley line. It came with these paddles, but they're just real flimsy, so I went and bought these from Walmart, Ozark Trail. They got the grip points for pushing off the bank, and then they got the hook retrieval, line retrieval. I've added a rope to the front of it just to kind of help tie it up. We'll get these out of the way. Yeah, when I made my wheel cart system for it, I used 1-inch PVC, and I had made it before out of 3/4 inch, but where it goes up through the scupper holes, it kept breaking. So what I did was I used 1-inch PVC, and then it's a little bit heavier, but then I've reduced it down to 3/4 and put the 3/4 pieces on. So if it breaks, all I got to do is unscrew this and then put a new piece in it, and then put it back on again, and keep going with it. The only thing it's got is these little plastic caps. They don't have the screw in anymore. They just got the ones that lock in with a cord. In here I've got my ruler, and I've got it attached to a bungee cord, and then I've got a little case here that I can carry my wallet in, stuff like that. I've added a towel. I've got my pliers, and then I've got my phone case, and I've made a couple extra one of these. Now you can watch on there's some other videos on YouTube on how to make these. Pretty neat. Just all that is weed eater line wrapped around a dowel rod and boiled in water, and then you take it out. Then I just stripped out some paracord and wrapped it around it and crimped it on there. and put the carabiners on it. I've got one here to attach to my fishing rod. Of course, now these come with 2 fishing rod holders and then the one in the front. And then I put 2, one on each side, and I painted my milk crate to kind of match it. And built me something to set it on. The way this thing's designed, it's supposed to, I slide my kayak in it, and I'm going to eventually hang it up and put it in on the wall behind me, attached to the ceiling, to where I can slide it in and then lift it up and get it out of the way. But other than that, that's about all I've done to it. I've got a depth finder that I'm going to be putting on it, Lowrance depth finder. I'm going to try to mount it somewhere's right in here, and then the battery will go under here, and I'm going to make me a PVC transducer mount that'll go under here. But other than that, yeah, that's my kayak. Like I said, I'm going to try to do some videos, some fishing videos, but I'm going to take it out right now and go out here in the pond and tool around with it a little bit and see if I can catch something. So appreciate y'all stopping by, checking it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell, and so you'll see anything else that I got coming out. So alright guys, I appreciate you stopping by. Till next time, like I always say, get out there, have an adventure, create some memories. Life's too short. See ya.